This is one of my absolute favourite recipes, as the pancakes are absolutely delicious and you don't need any flour. You can use whizzed up oats and ground almonds, which means they are completely gluten-free. They taste yummy with chocolate chips, Nora's favourite, and lots of fresh fruit piled up to serve. There's even a cheeky hack if you can't get hold of any buttermilk. These are American-style pancakes, as they are gloriously fluffy and light. So there's also a great opportunity again for a cheeky science lesson with the buttermilk and the bicarbonate and how it reacts. But we will get back to that later. Shall we make some pancakes? Yeah!
I ate one chocolate.
You ate one chocolate chip.
I'm eating another.
Oh my goodness, I am shocked. So the cheeky hack in terms of buttermilk, if you don't have buttermilk, all you need is 350 ml of whole milk or milk. And then you just need to squeeze in, careful, a tablespoon of lemon juice. And the acidity in the lemon juice is what you need to make that buttermilk texture. So you pop the lemon juice in, set it aside for 5 minutes, and you'll notice that the milk will curdle slightly, it will thicken, and that's what you need for your pancakes. And because you've got that lemon juice, that acidity, it still reacts with the bicarbonate of soda to give that lovely fluffy texture. Right then, are you ready? Okay, I'm using flour, but you can use ground oats, as I said. But we've got 150 grams of flour. Can you pour in the ground almonds, please?
All of it.
All of it.
Right.
I add the ground...
Steady, pat.
I really like the ground almonds in it because of the texture. Yes, please. But if you've got an allergy, you can use 200 grams of ground oats.
Mummy, it's not pink.
Or 200 grams of just flour. Oh, it's purple though, that's nice.
Purple.
Yeah. Right, give it a good mix. Right, add the sugar, please. Little bit of sugar, 50 grams, give that a mix please. Good girl. Now we need to add the bicarbonate of soda, because remember, the bicarbonate of soda, oh not quite that much, we need, no, we need the
Pink one.
green one please.
2.
Just one. Oh, not that much, hang on, shake it off a little bit. There we go, there we go, pop that in. Good girl. Shaky, 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 shaky. We're whisking all our dry ingredients together.
There we go.
All done? Right, now we're going to add our buttermilk. You ready? Do you want to add it?
All of it.
Yep. Pour it in. Good girl.
We're making pancakes.
We are making pancakes. You are not wrong. Mix, mix, mix.
Mix away. I said mix
That's it.
away.
I'm going to drink my cup of tea while you're mixing. Oh!
Hold
That'll
it.
teach me.
Hold it for me, please.
Give it a good mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. That's it. And then we're going to pour our egg in.
Can I?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you very much. Right, give that, break up the yolk and then mix it in.
What's the yolk?
It's the yellow bit in the egg.
Oh, I like it.
Right, can I have a go, please?
Yep.
Right, we want to get this lovely and smooth, okay? Because we want nice, we want nice smooth pancakes, don't we?
Yeah, I love
Mm-mm-mm.
It's like cake mix.
It is, but it's a bit runnier, isn't it? Right, does that look smooth to you, Nora?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop stirring.
Okay, right, once we've got it lovely and smooth. Once we've got it lovely and smooth. No, I can't see them swirling. We're going to set it aside for 5 minutes now because we need the reaction from the acidity in the buttermilk and the bicarbonate of soda to produce those bubbles to make sure they're lovely and fluffy. Can you see the bubbles that are coming? Can you see them? These bubbles, if you look, they're popping up. It's the bicarbonate of soda reacting with the acid in the buttermilk, and look, it's creating all these bubbles. It's cool, isn't it? That's science, that is, Nora. Are you ready for some pancakes?
Yeah.
Yeah! Right, okay, so look, can you see? It's all bubbled up there. Yeah? That's going to make our... You've got the hiccups. Can you see all the bubbles, Nora?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's great.
That is great, because that means our pancake's going to be lovely and fluffy. Right,
Yeah,
I'm going to bring the batter over here.
You said batter.
Yeah, that's what it's called. It's called pancake batter.
Can't say batter
Why not?
because it's not a real word.
It is a real word. It is, I swear.
Batter. It's
Batter.
lips.
What? We're going to do this on a frying pan, obviously. I'm going to use a non-stick frying pan, so I'm not going to bother putting any oil or butter or anything on. If you've got a pan that does stick, I will pop a little bit of oil on first. I'm also going to use an ice cream scoop. Do you know what for? The reason I use an ice cream scoop, this is one of my favourite tools in the kitchen for baking. Great for making cupcakes, but also great for making pancakes, because you can scoop the batter out and you can make the same size pancake. Batter.
Butter.
It's a word. Batter is a word.
Butter. It's actually butter.
This is called batter, Nora.
It's called butter. Butter.
So I'm going to use the scoop to make sure all my pancakes are the same size, and also it gets the batter.
Butter.
It gets the, and also it gets the pancake mixture out nice and easily. Right, you ready? Right, pan's getting nice and hot now.
No, I get that.
What, do you want to come over and see? Yeah? Just be careful not to get too close, okay, because it's hot. Have your chocolate chips next to you, because we're going to need those in a minute. So a scoop of batter, sorry, a scoop of mixture.
Butter.
Right, you ready?
Don't say matter.
I'm going to pop it in the middle of our pan and just leave it. Okay, we're just going to leave it for a minute.
How do you know how to make pancakes?
I learned how to make pancakes and now I'm teaching you. And we're teaching other people, aren't we? If you've ever made pancakes in your life before, you know that the first one doesn't count, okay? Because it always goes wrong. But can you see all the bubbles, Nora?
That's great.
Hey?
That's great.
That's great, is it? Once we've started seeing some bubbles pop up, do you know what we're going to do? We're going to sprinkle over some chocolate chips. Oh, not too many. Mummy put way too many in there. I was only going to put a few. Careful, it's hot, okay? Let me just check. Right, Nora, I'm just going to check to see if it's ready to flip it yet. Oh. Ah. Yeah, we're ready to flip. You ready? Huh. There we go.
It looks like a real pancake.
Are you surprised that Mummy's made you a real pancake?
Yeah.
So little faith.
Daddy.
Nora, come back.
Mummy's making a pancake.
Remember, the first one doesn't count,
No.
because the first one is always the one that goes wrong. Although this one doesn't look too bad. He's not too bad. I think we overdid it on the chocolate chips, so they're all coming out the side, but... Right, the first one doesn't count, as we know when making pancakes. But that one doesn't look too bad. Right, how many more do you want? Loads?
3.
Oh, that sounds good. Look at that little bit of pancake.
Can
It's a
I
tiny,
have
tiny
that
pancake. Ah!
little bit of pancake? Can I have it?
It's a bit hot at the minute, but just wait a second and it'll be fine.
I have a tiny pancake.
Tiny, tiny pancake.
It's a tiny,
Teeny tiny pancake.
pancake. Mommy made the tiny, tiny pancake. The tiny pancake.
For the first side, before you flip it over, you want to see lots of air bubbles coming up through. And you'll be able to tell because it will lift off the pan really, really easily. If you're still trying to go like that and it's all still quite sticky, then it's definitely not ready to flip. So what you want is it to be, you want your pancake to be brown on both sides. Nice golden brown. This one looks pretty good though, Nora.
Yeah, can I eat it?
Yeah. Right, here we go. Ah, ready, incoming pancake. Let's turn it up that way. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy?
Can I have some syrup on it?
You want some golden syrup on it? Sure. All right, right, you dig into that one.
Mummy, will you flip it?
Yeah. It's probably still a little bit hot.
Syrup, please. All over, please.
Not too much because it's sweet as it is. There we go. I'm going to work through the rest of the mixture whilst Nora digs into this one.
It's so good.
Is it?
It's gooder than the other pancakes I have.
It's better than the other pancakes that you've
Yeah.
had. Oh, yes. Can I get a high five?
Because
Yes.
I like the...
What do you like? Chocolate chips, I'm guessing?
chocolate chips thin. Mummy, I left a bit for you to try.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want to try it?
Yes,
So,
please.
Mummy.
Mmm. Look at these lovely pancakes, don't they look delicious?
Yeah.
Do you think we should top them up with some delicious fresh fruit and some syrup?
Yeah.
Yeah! These pancakes are delicious, served with lots of fresh fruit, maybe a little bit of cream. High five on the chocolate chip pancakes. Boom!
I said bam and you said boom. Bam, boom, bam, boom, bam.